regard to per caps, it's different in different places. So there are 10 million Native people in the US Census. And there are several hundred, maybe some thousands. There are some, I will say some thousands, several thousand even, who are receiving some level of a per cap. It is a tiny percentage of the Native population that receives a per cap or even an educational benefit. And as a result, you happen to be in a part of planet Earth where the 4 Dakota communities have very small tribal populations, numbering in the hundreds, and in a relative measure compared to other tribes, larger casino complexes, especially for Shakopee, right next to the Twin Cities metro, you know. And so it reflects in the type of supports they're able to offer. So the Dakota communities are offering per capita payments that's very different at Shakopee than it is even at Upper Sioux. But it is still significant. The Ojibwe reservations in Minnesota, for the most part, are not doing per caps. Mille Lacs has just started a couple years ago, and it's pretty small. And so there's still need for, like, lots of people need energy and housing assistance and other things like that. And when you look at even the data set I was just showing, you know, well, we did go from 57% to 23% below the poverty line, but 23% below the poverty line is really high. So you got a lot of people who need basic supports and programs. And I would say operating with that understanding will be helpful, but trying to figure out a way to have a direct approach with the citizens throughout your service area, in addition to liaison work with the tribe, will help. And, you know, I do think tribes have been smart and thoughtful about how they invest their money, diversifying their business plan, you know, and things like that. But you just never know what's going to happen. You know, it used to be, too, that the tribes, like when they first started a per cap, the Dakota communities, then, like, as soon as a kid turned 18, they were out of school. And they said, well, we're going to put in a graduation requirement. Amazing, 100% graduation, you know, at Shakopee. And so, you know, I do think that tribes are trying to be thoughtful about encouraging the development of their own citizenry. And they want their folks, you know, to populate positions and, you know, be at the service of their people.